Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Inovio Pharmaceuticals, and this is the long chart for Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Now what has changed in the past couple of months for this stock? Let us first see that the stock has moved 1400 or 1500% probably on the upside in a span of uh, 6 to 8 months. So that itself is phenomenal. But what has happened because of this is stock has made some important breakouts in the overall trend of this particular stock. So let's understand that the data we have for this particular stock in a long term is for about more than 20 odd years. Now in those 20 odd years, the stock is almost inside a range for most of the time, and now when the stock is trying to make a breakout above this trend, so it itself resembles something important that is already started or that may yet to start. So let's just see what could probably happen, or the trend which we can find for this particular script here. Now I'm going to talk about the overall and the big trend. So the support and resistance will follow the same. Now understand this. I will segregate this trend into two parts. So this is our first part, and this area is the second part. Okay, so let us just talk about this first part, where the stock has been consolidating for the last 20 years. Okay, so this is very significant because if the stock is consolidating inside a range for more than 3 or 5 years, then we should not think beyond the range. Okay, either on the upside or on the downside. Then the range itself becomes our buy and sell zone, where the highest end of the range, which is 32 odd dollars, become our resistance or the selling zone. And here in this case, you could say, although you can take this one $2 2.17 as your big support, but there are multiple supports below 2.17. You have 1.91, then you have 1.48, and in adverse scenario one have 0.62 on the downside. So for the downside we should not go below 0.62, and for the upside we should not go beyond 32.35 unless the stock made a breakout or does make a breakdown in the near future. Then we will decide our trend. Now in this case, your immediate support will come at around 9.02. Then you have this 2.17 and other support level which you need to think and taken care of either on the upside or on the downside, so that you can understand your risk. And then you have 13.52. So now 13.52, because the stock has already moved beyond 13.52, so it will become your immediate support or first line of defense. And if it falls below 13.52, then you have 9.02 on the downside, and on the upside you have 32.35, and that is a big resistance. Why I am saying this? Because the last time it tried to touch 32.35 was 2004. Now the same thing happened in 2020, so there is a gap of 16 years. Now if it does makes a breakout then and stay above 32.35, then your immediate target will come at around 201. Obviously, because we are talking about long term trend, it will take its own time, probably take couple of months or couple of years, I don't know, and probably in couple of days as well. But because we are looking at a long term trend, we should think that it will take probably couple of months to do that, or probably couple of years. If it happens before that, then we will review it accordingly. because if you're thinking something to happen in 10 years and if the same thing happens within a couple of months or in a year of time frame, then you need to think again whether to become more greedy or that would be enough for you. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel for this. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.